You've been drinking coffee all wrong. Here's what you're missing. Most brewing methods leave behind bitterness that dulls the true flavors of your coffee beans. Siphon brewing changes everything. By fully immersing the grounds before using vacuum pressure to filter, it extracts a cup that's unbelievably smooth, clean, and packed with flavors you've never tasted before. Kazumi takes this method and perfects it. Inspired by Japanese craftsmanship, it's built for seamless brewing, ensuring every sip is crisp, balanced, and full of depth. It doesn't force the process. It lets the coffee develop naturally, just as it should. Watching it brew is as satisfying as drinking it. If you've never tried siphon coffee, you've never truly tasted coffee. Rediscover it with Kazumi, where every cup is worth the wait.